If you're looking for a mud tire that provides premium performance and styling but doesn't break the bank, the MudClaw Extreme MT is the tire for you. Now, it's built by Cooper Tire. Large center lugs provide traction through mud and loose dirt. The alternating lug design increases lateral stability and provides bi-directional traction. The high void tread design allows for quick self-cleaning of both mud and water. And the staggered shoulder blocks enhance grip and are pinned for studs, allowing you to install them for increased winter traction. The reinforced casing protects the sidewall against punctures from rocks and debris. With excellent reviews from the off-road community, you can't go wrong with the MudClaw Extreme MT. Head to tires-easy.com today and find a great selection on all mud terrain tires. With the best prices online, fast shipping, and our 45-day guarantee, you can shop with confidence. Hey, if you would like to see more videos like this, subscribe to the Tires Easy channel and give the videos a like, a comment, or a share. We would appreciate it.